And in breaking news that is just coming in, there are reports now of a bomb explosion outside Pranab Mukherjee's hotel in Dhaka. And remember, he's on a visit to Dhaka, and there has been rioting across Bangladesh after the leader of the country's largest Islamist party was in fact sentenced to death on decades-old allegations of war crimes. And in the latest report that we are getting in, there has been an explosion outside Pranab Mukherjee's Hotel Sonar Gaon. There we are still awaiting more details coming in, and there is still no confirmation whether the president was inside the hotel. The reports now that are coming in, this was a minor explosion. And remember, there has been widespread rioting across Bangladesh after the leader of the country's largest Islamist party was in fact sentenced to death on decades-old allegations of war crimes. Supporters of the Jamaat-e-Islami movement have been battling with the police in several cities after the Islamist leader was sentenced to hang by a war crimes tribunal. And minor explosion outside Pranab Mukherjee's hotel in Dhaka. We are still awaiting more details, but yes, the situation has been tense. There, Srinjoy is with us for more details. Yes, Srinjoy, it's over to you.
Yes, Dhaka is very tense. And it's a very difficult situation in Dhaka because of the internal problems there regarding war criminals. But as far as the blast is concerned, we have got reports there is a blast, but we haven't got official confirmation. Official sources say they are still checking to let us know what the exact...
All right, Srinjoy, we will come back to you. We have the stringer Deep Azad who joins us from Dhaka itself. Deep, what more can you tell us about this minor explosion?
It's a small cocktail. It's blast 10 minutes ago. Local time is on 25. It's blast in front of the hotel, on the road. Just some hotel supporters suddenly came there and they blasted. That is nothing serious. The law and order people are trying to invest the whole area, and they start that whatever happened, and some police officers confirm that it's a small cocktail, nothing serious. This is the primary information.
Right. Right, and Deep, can you tell us that do you have any confirmation as to whether the Indian president was inside the hotel at the time of this explosion?
Yes, the Indian President Pranab Mukherjee that time was in the hotel in his room. There's nothing new information on my side.